we splurged on the produce today because these are not your regular baby cucumbers. These are organic, okay? So they're a little more expensive on y'all, okay? So don't think that I'm up here just being cheap all the time, okay? I be cheap sometimes and I be expensive other times. So hi you guys, it's Younga. Obviously, I'm back with another video. I know it's been forever, but this is something that I've been wanting to do, and it's a product review, but it's also a mukbang because the product that we're reviewing in this mukbang is the baddie sauce. I need to get a good look at how cute that is. The packaging is on point. It's all purpose. It's not just a seafood sauce. It's good on fried chicken. So I'm gonna tell you, I already know how it tastes. This is my second bottle. The first bottle, I was supposed to do a mukbang, but I killed it before the camera could even be clicked on. I tried it with fried chicken. It was bomb. I didn't even have to have rice. I just was dipping the fried chicken in the sauce. Today, I'm trying it with some shrimp cocktail. On the side, I have sandwich rolls. I have some cucumbers. This cucumber has kimchi sauce on it, and then this one is just plain, so I could dip it in the baddie sauce. The baddie sauce, I have some in here. I'll just put this here. But I had this so you guys know that that's what it is. That's what we're doing. I'll put it on the side. If you guys haven't tried it, please try it. It's really good. It kind of reminds me of like barbecue-ish, but not really. It has like a kick to it. I don't know. I really don't know how to explain it properly, but it's more like, yeah, I don't know how to explain it. But it's really good. And it tastes good with fried chicken. I wanted to try it with sashimi, but I didn't have sashimi money. So but that will happen when I get my sashimi money, maybe next paycheck. So I got the next best thing, which was shrimp cocktail. It's affordable, and it's always good. I did have the cocktail sauce, but you know, I left that off so we could really dive into the baddie sauce. If you guys have tried it, drop down in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think of it. And again, if you haven't tried it, get yourself a bottle. I think they have a Memorial Day sale on it, so go check out their page. I love the Baddie twins. I think, yeah, I've always loved them and their content, and I was so happy that they came out with sauce after years of, you know, them doing their sauce and their mukbangs. But I'm the type of person who never, it's hard for me to like go out there and like try making people's sauces or making people's recipes because I just don't be trying. Anywho, I'm gonna dip one of these shrimps into this baddie sauce. Look at, I want y'all to see that. I want y'all to see that. Look at. I know this is gonna be good. I have a whole bunch of shrimp cocktail sauce, but I'm not gonna use it today because I got the baddie sauce. So sorry, not sorry. I knew it was gonna be good. I'm probably not even gonna talk to y'all. I don't really know how to explain how it tastes. Have y'all Okay, so on Amazon, they sell this sauce that's called Mamba sauce. I don't know how authentic that sauce is as a Mamba sauce, but this kind of reminds me of it, just of one with a kick. And the Baddie twins told y'all, this sauce is all purpose, and I'm showing y'all this. I'm eating it with shrimp cocktail. It goes good on fried chicken. It really do be tasting good on anything. I'm going to show y'all with this sandwich wrap. I'm going to dip that in there. There's a little kick to it. Y'all know my what do you call it? My spice tolerance isn't all that good. Isn't all that high. The hottest I be going is hot Cheetos. And the kimchi that I be eating, it's like mild. So how y'all be doing? How y'all been doing? I said how y'all be doing. Girl, I've been working. I've been getting my bread. Because I have plans for the future. Now, I love y'all, but I can't be here every day. Your girl need to make some coins. But she ain't making this off of, off of YouTube. If I was, if I surpassed 1K, maybe. But your girl below that, she in the 700. So if I want to spread the news that I'm hearing and I'm worthy of subscribing to, go ahead. And I appreciate it. But I understand I'm not for everyone. Different strokes, different folks. Or was it different folks? I don't know which order it is, but that's a phrase. You know what? I didn't do anything today special. I went to the grocery store to get some things for Monday. And then I came right back home. I be antisocial all the time. That's how I do. But then also, we got to stay social distancing. Some people think, oh, just because it died down and we're not in lockdown anymore, they could be out here acting a fool. Girl, people popping up with COVID at my work. I'm like, why y'all keep catching it? I have yet to catch it. I'm coming to work every day. How y'all catching it? Then again, I've always been antisocial. Well, not antisocial, but I haven't been the social butterfly that a lot of people are. Even before COVID, I was always a homebody. You think we're gonna go back into COVID lockdown again? I don't know. I wouldn't mind. With all the craziness in the world today. The sauce just coats everything that it gets on. Which I love in a sauce. I love thick sauces. That's one thing. Whenever I try to make a sauce, it just be super like liquidy and I don't like it. I like for my sauces to have like body. Body, body, body. Y'all heard that song? It's stuck in my head. Legs and hips and body, yaddy, yaddy. I think I should have left the kimchi sauce off of those cucumbers. Because I think that kimchi is interfering with the baddie sauce. They're just two different types, you know. They're both very good. But I should just have the baddie sauce on deck. Yeah, this is good. It's especially good because it's super hot right now. And like, these are colder foods. They're like cold foods. I just heated up the sauce though. That's one thing I prefer my baddie sauce heated up. Even if I'm eating it with cold food. But it legit goes good on anything. Okay, the kick is creeping up on me. You know, there's a lot of things I want to try with this sauce, and there's just not enough funds for me. Not enough funds or not enough time for me to get them all done. But I'm going to put my ideas out right now. If you got the time, do these mukbangs with the baddie sauce. Alright, so idea number 1. Get some salmon, raw salmon, sashimi grade salmon, alright? Get you the baddie sauce. Just be dipping it in with that. You have sides of different produce, like how Sassy SMR be having her sashimi. She be having like eggplant and stuff like that, and like cucumbers and things like that with the salmon. And then she be having like seafood sauce with it. Instead of the seafood sauce, use the baddie sauce. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, this thing was full, and now it's all the way down. Musubi. Oh my god! If y'all don't know what musubi is, okay, so musubi is like, I think it's like Hawaiian Japanese fusion. So it's when you have a layer of rice and some sauce, and then a piece of spam, and then it's wrapped in seaweed. Okay, look it up. Look up musubi. I want to try, instead of the katsu sauce or whatever they be putting in it, I want to try to put some baddie sauce in there, because I know it will go good with it. My third idea is spring rolls. I like spring rolls. I didn't be having it for a long time. I think whenever I have it, I be eating it with peanut sauce, which I love. But I think if you use the baddie sauce as a dipping sauce with spring rolls, that would be really good too. So, yeah. They don't lie when they're talking about it's all purpose. It's an all-purpose sauce. I mean, they tried it on hella different things. And I haven't been watching anybody else's like mukbangs that have baddie sauce in it. I think the only other people that I watched was Dalvin and Ellie. And they liked it. I forgot what they ate with it though. There's probably some seafood or something. Right now, came down to my last shrimp. Ooh, it's getting spicy right now. It's hitting me. Ooh. That got really spicy. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, the kick is there. It's not overwhelming, but it definitely lingers in my mouth. This mukbang was to tell y'all how good the baddie sauce is on some shrimp cocktail and some sandwich rolls. And it's all purpose. Like they said, it's all purpose. So you could practically put this sauce on anything. It could be dipping sauce or anything. Like I said, I had my 3 ideas that I want to do. I don't know if I'll ever do them. But if y'all could do it, salmon sashimi, get you some baddie sauce for that. Musubi, get you some baddie sauce with that. And spring rolls. ideal dipping sauce for it, especially if it has shrimp in it, because the baddie sauce went really good with the shrimp cocktail. So the baddie sauce is legit, and of course, what else would you expect? It's from the Baddie twins. So thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate y'all for spending some time with me. If you guys haven't subscribed, please make sure that you subscribe right now. Click the notification bell so you guys could be notified whenever I drop in. To those of you guys who keep supporting me, thank you so much. I'll see you guys in the next video.
Stop yelling at me.